Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely wonderful Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. Now this is the 4 version, so this is the lovely luxury version with the leather interior, privacy glass, 360 surround cameras, heated seats, heated steering wheel. This is a wonderful one-owner car with the benefit of the Mitsubishi service documentation. Let's have a look around it. The colour is called Rally Red Metallic. Beautiful contrast, I think. It just shows all the black detail and chrome detail. The cars sit on these lovely 18-inch bicolour alloy wheels. They're all in fantastic order all the way around. A very, very nicely kept car this. We've sold quite a number of these recently and they've all been wonderful vehicles. Now these are capable of over 166 miles to the gallon, and that's the equivalent where they have a 20 miles battery range, so you can drive this car on full electric. So this is a plug-in hybrid to which then the battery will charge independently to the engine. So if you wish to drive the car on full electric, you can do, and you've got a 20 miles range. Now because it is a hybrid as well, you can just press the button and then the engine will charge the battery of the vehicle, and it will also drive on battery and engine, and that's where you get your 166 miles to the gallon, because it's the fuel that you save on those 20 miles that allows you to do the distances that you can do. Now as I say, the car is fully spec, so we've got the privacy glass, we've got electric tailgate. I'll just open that for you and you'll see in there then the chargers. So up it comes, and you get a very, very nice boot there. Lovely size family boot. You do get a 12-volt charger in there as well. There is your charging plug, so you can just plug that into your normal electric and then charge it when at home. Jack, wheel brace, and obviously we've got the tyre inflation kit as well. Press the button there again and then the boot closes nicely. Down the sides the vehicle is in superb condition, no trolley dents or anything like that to speak of. Privacy glass and the silver detail just adds to this car all the way round. Now we've got both keys for this car, and lovely thing. So let's have a look inside, because this is where, if you buy the Model 4, you get the interior is really, really nice. Mitsubishi do have an ability to make really nice quality trouble-free cars, and this is no exception. We get 4 electric windows, power folding door mirrors. You press that button, it folds in. This one comes with blind spot monitoring, so if you're driving on a motorway, that light will flash if there's a car at the side of you. Very nice when you've got it. We've got electric driver's seat, and then we get this really, really nice luxury leather interior. Silver detailing on it and contrast stitch as well. Just adds lovely black gloss detail with the silver and chrome. There's a sense of occasion in this particular vehicle. Now when I jump in, I have the keys in my pocket. We can see the car's done 45,221 miles. Now obviously we're a plug-in hybrid. At the moment I'm in electric power. So for example now, all I would effectively do would be select drive, and then the car would drive off without the engine. If I put it into reverse, then the reversing camera appears and it drives. I put it in park with this little button, as you can see, Outlander PHEV. Now I do have a mechanical charging point, so I could press that button there, and then the engine has started, and now the vehicle is charging. So we've got 17 miles of battery and we've got 91 miles of petrol. Superb. If I press EV, it then puts it into electric mode, and then as you can see in the left hand top corner it says EV, and I'm driving on full electric. Heated front seats, very nice. Auto hold handbrake in traffic. Various buttons. I can press save there now, and that would then come up and I would save on there. If I work the onboard computer, I can drive efficiently. I've got the engine to the battery. If I press charge, it starts to charge the battery when the engine switches on, and as you can see there, the arrow is now pointing to the battery. If I go to EV, it goes to electric vehicle and back to as normal. We get digital climate control and air conditioning. Nice features down here. We've got a heated front windscreen for winter. We've got a heated steering wheel. We've got active, you can switch the boot off as well. And what looks like an old-fashioned sig lighter, it's just a blank. Lovely birch style black ash wood. Very, very nice in detail. Cruise control, speed limiter, multifunction steering wheel, automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, paddle shift. Very, very nicely specified cars, these. This car even smells new. You can tell the previous keeper must have really cherished it. I don't smoke, and I can tell this car has never been smoked in either. We have the apps on there as well. Cancel that. Go to home, it gives you the menu, so DAB, Bluetooth audio. Your apps are where you can have everything on your phone downloads onto the screen. So if you've got your I suppose your Google Nav and everything on there, it's all on there. So as I pop out there, just have a one more look round it. The seats, everything is in perfect order. Nothing would detract from buying this car, none whatsoever, and a lovely low mileage. We pop the back door open. We are now greeted again by this lovely internal area. We've got the Isofix seats, seat belts, rear load blind, 2 keys there. You might have heard that beeping because it's keyless, I'll show you in a minute. But a really, really lovely, well-maintained car. Keyless, so you can press that little button there with the keys in your pocket, and then you press it again to open it. But what more could you ask for? We've got a couple of these in, so if you like a bronze metallic one as well, we've got one of those in as well. Have a look on our advert. Now you can secure this with a £250 fully refundable deposit. That will prepare the car for you, so you only need to come to us once in Wigan, to which then it'll be fully charged, ready for your journey home. Have a test drive, make sure you're happy with it. The condition of it is A1. You can see the LED lights there then, the signature lights in all these modern vehicles. We take part exchange. Every car leaves us with its own warranty, so there's nothing to worry about in any respect. Have a look on our reviews on Auto Trader. You'll see we're a 5-star dealer. Again, we've won the prestigious awards of Car Gurus and Auto Trader for quality customer care for 2002. Have a look on Facebook. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK collecting cars from us, doing what I've suggested, and that's fully reserving it, getting it ready, so you only need to come to Wigan once. I'm Graham, there's Dom and there's Lee on sales. Give us a call, we'll be happy to help you in any way. We'll give you Part X, we'll give you finance. So thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.